Hello friend, welcome to my new video. I have prepared a 3-inch seal. Now we will teach you to make designs in it. See friend, here we have to mark it 2 to 2 inches. And on the upper side also, in front of this, we have to mark it 2 to 2 inches. We will go over the stitching and we will join the mark with the lower side. Then we have to go over the stitching. And we have to join the next mark in the same way. Watch the video completely. If you like it, then like and share it. See friend, we have to keep filling in the entire seal like this. Here we will stitch like this while giving it a roundness. We have to keep stitching while giving it a roundness. Do like, share and comment on the video. Now in the second stitch, we have to stitch like this while keeping the margin of the paw. We will keep stitching like this while keeping the margin of one paw. We will keep stitching here while keeping the stitching. We will go over the stitching and here we have to make a leaf. Now we have to make a leaf on the other side also. We have to make 2 leaves like this. We have to go over the stitching. And here in the next box also we have to make a similar leaf which we made behind. If you are new on our channel then subscribe to the channel and there is a bell icon in front. Select it on all so that the notifications of every upcoming video reach you first. Do give your opinion in the comment box that how you like our designs. Keep filling in the same way and complete our design. See friend, our beautiful peacock design is completed. Subscribe to our channel to see more such new designs. See you again in a new video with a new design. Till then bye.